Daily routine as a teacher in English. Early morning preparation. I wake up early around 5:30 or 6 a.m. I get ready for the day and enjoy a quiet coffee. I review my lesson plans for the first few classes. I gather all necessary materials and supplies for the morning. I commute to school before the student rush begins. Pre-class and morning. I arrive at my classroom at least an hour before the bell. I prepare the whiteboard and organize student materials. I check emails from parents or administration quickly. I greet my students as they arrive in the classroom. I start the instructional day with the first lesson. I lead the students through activities and classroom discussions. Midday and lunch. I supervise recess duty or stay in the classroom to work. I take my short lunch break, often in the staff lounge. I use my planning period to grade papers and make copies. I prepare materials for my afternoon teaching blocks. Afternoon and after school. I teach my afternoon classes, often focusing on a different subject. I manage student dismissal at the end of the school day. I stay after school to offer extra help to students. I attend mandatory staff meetings or professional development sessions. I finish grading assignments and enter new scores into the system. I plan tomorrow's lessons and organize the classroom for the next day. Evening and rest. I leave the school and commute back to my home. I eat dinner and briefly catch up with family or friends. I spend time relaxing, reading a book, or watching television. I avoid working late to ensure I get adequate rest. I go to sleep early to be energized for the next school day. Subscribe for more videos.